Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to go to sections based on answers in Google Forms. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to create dynamic surveys that adapt to respondent choices, making your forms more personalized and efficient. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. You'll need to log in with your credentials to access Google Forms. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Forms dashboard with various options available. Now click on Blank Form to start creating a new form from scratch. This gives you a clean slate to build your custom survey with branching logic. Next, you'll see a question type drop-down menu. Click on it and select multiple choice from the options. Multiple choice questions are perfect for branching logic since they give you distinct answer paths to work with. Click on Untitled Question at the top and type your question. For example, let's use what is your favorite subject? This will be the first decision point in your form. Now it's time to add your answer options. Click on option 1 and type math as your first choice. Then click add option and type science for the second choice. Click add option once more and type English as your third option. These choices will determine where respondents go next in your form. Here's where the section routing begins. In the right panel, click the Add Section button. This creates a new section that you can direct respondents to based on their answers. You'll notice your form now has multiple sections. Click the plus button to add a new question to this second section. Again, select multiple choice from the question type dropdown to maintain consistency in your form structure. In the question field, type how interesting do you find this subject? This follow-up question will vary in context depending on which subject the respondent chose earlier. Click on option 1 and type very interesting as the first response. Click Add option and type interesting, then click Add option again and type neutral to give respondents a range of options. Now comes the crucial part that makes everything work. Click on your first question to select it, then navigate to the 3 dotted lines menu and select Go to Section based on answer. This activates the branching logic feature for this question. You can customize where each answer leads by clicking Continue to Next Section next to each option, then select your preferred destination from the dropdown. This allows you to send people who chose math to one section, science to another, and English to yet another section if desired. Click on your second question and repeat the process. Navigate to the 3 dotted lines and select Go to Section based on answer. Again, customize where respondents go by clicking Continue to Next Section for each answer option and selecting where you want them directed next. To verify everything works correctly, click the Preview button in the upper right panel. This opens your form in test mode. Go ahead and answer your form to test the branching logic you just set up. You should see the form navigate to different sections based on your answer choices. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google form with section branching based on answers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.